In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FPS drops in Roblox. So if you're experiencing lagging or stuttering or your game's just running slowly in general, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and increase the FPS. Now the first and most obvious thing we need to do is just come over to Roblox in the top left hand side and click on settings. You then need to scroll down to the graphics mode and make sure this is set to manual, and you need to decrease the graphics quality between 1 to 3 bars at the bottom. Now if you set this to 1, this is going to give you the highest FPS possible, but this will reduce the graphics quality in the game. So I'd recommend setting this anywhere between 1 to 3 bars, and then you can go and save your changes. Now once you've done this, head over to the desktop on your computer, and I'm now going to show you a couple of settings in Windows where we can go and increase the FPS in Roblox. So first thing is to open up the start menu and just go and click on settings. In the left hand side, click on system and then press display. You then need to scroll down to graphics and click on this, then scroll down to your list of applications and go and locate Roblox. Now if you can't see Roblox in this list, then you can always scroll up and click on add desktop app, and then you can just go and locate Roblox from your folder. Now if you're not sure where the Roblox player is saved to, you can always head over to your desktop and right click on the Roblox player. You can then just press open file location, and here you can see exactly where this is saved to. So I'm going to copy all of this address at the top, and then I'm going to come back and click on add desktop app, and then I'm just going to paste in the address at the top here, and then you just need to double click on the Roblox player app in order to add it to your list. Now once you've added Roblox game client, click on the drop down arrow and just make sure the GPU preference is set to high performance. Once you've done that, click on gaming from the left hand side and click on game bar. Make sure the game bar is turned off and disabled, and then come back over to the previous window. Click on game mode and make sure this is turned on. This will ensure you get the best performance possible. Now another thing you may need to go and disable, which can actually cause FPS issues, is if you open up the start menu, go and search for manage cameras and click on this window here. If you have any cameras connected, go and disable these now, as these can actually cause lagging and freezing issues in the game. The next step is to open up the start menu and go and search for control panel and click on this. Make sure view by in the top right hand side is set to large icons, and then click on power options. Now if you're on a laptop, you need to go and set this to the high performance plan, and then you can go and save your changes and close out of here. Next, head back over to the start menu, search for adjust the appearance and click on adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Now go and check the box next to adjust for best performance, and just check the box next to show thumbnails instead of icons, and also smooth edges of screen fonts. You can then press apply and OK. Now the last step is to open back up the start menu, go and search for disk cleanup and click on this tool here. You then need to go and check the boxes next to all of these different options in the list and click on clean up system files. Now once again, go and check all of these different boxes, and as you can see, this is going to save me 50 gigabytes in space. So go and press OK and then press delete files. Once you've done this, you can go and restart your computer, and you should now have the best FPS possible in Roblox. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.